Okay, here's a quick follow-up to what I just took about 15 minutes ago. And the direction that these clouds are moving is just not jiving with anything natural. But you can see that one there. That was the one that was the big hole. There's the hole now right above my house that was actually out looking south towards the coast. And there's the sun setting, so that's the west. And now that cloud and that chemtrail mixture there and that formation there and that one there too are moving south, I guess. It's just so weird. It's just weird. But again, there's the big hole, and that was one of the spikes in the cloud systems. That was, if you look at my earlier video that I took, I hope I can sequence these right. I always forget. Sometimes I'll upload them in the wrong sequence. But anyways, okay, this was just a quick follow-up, just showing. I mean, like, really? That's real natural? Look at that. Look at that. Crazy stuff. Look at that one there. And then we have the natural water vapor clouds that are pretty much still stationary out looking south towards the coast of California, towards Carlsbad, Oceanside, Encinitas. That direction would be San Diego. So anyways, I'm just trying to like figure out which direction these clouds are moving. Because standing here on the ground, the wind's blowing in my face and the clouds are moving the opposite way. It's got my pea brain baffled. Anyhow, everything's topsy-turvy. Everything's upside down. Black is white, white is black. The truth is a lie, and the lie is the truth. And that's the world we live in. And that's exactly what the Bible talks about in the end days, in the end times. So we're at it. We're here. We're very much in the end times.